So today in this video, I tell you the website which is can develop a website and which is can develop a AI tool. Actually, this is a AI based website which is you can develop anything using AI. So let's go to the video and see how we can make a website using this website. So first thing first, we go to the Google and type the website name, which is this website is WebSim AI. So here you can see the first result of the Google. This is the WebSim AI, and you can click this. And here you can see the website interface. So they have a different project which is created by others. So let's so we can create our project. Just type here what you want to create. I'm just creating, I want to just make a generating image or generating, I'm just create some website generate a article for me. So I just type create a website which is generated articles for me using AI. So and press enter. So you can see here it is created now. So we have to wait a little because it depends on your internet speed. So you can see here it is generating. It is good, right? So we can just we just create a website which is we can generate unlimited articles because they have no limit in this. And also you can use this website if you want to show your website idea, or if you want to show your website to others, and also if you want to uh, design the website if you don't have any idea about the designing of your project or your website. You can use this tool for that also. So here I'm just typing the topic as programming. Tone of voice, I'm just use friendly voice. And article length is I'm selecting shorts, 300 words is enough. And the keyword I'm just give Java and Python. So generate article, I just click and you can see here it is generated. So here our little article which is generated by our software using our website. So and you can see here they have a button. You can also copy this article. I just click this button and I'm just open a notepad and I just paste this one. So you can see here they are already pasted here. And here also you can download this website using this button, and you just click this button and you have you can view the source code of this website, and you can copy this website to your project also. You can do that also. And then you can click button and you can just download it. It will download as a HTML format. So I'm just download it as article generator. Article generator. And I just save this one. And you can see here it is downloading now. And you can open this one. So here you can see our website. So I'm just create again with our downloaded file. So I can generate article. So you can see here it is generating, and you can see it's again generated. And you can copy this one and you can copy it everywhere. So using this WebSim AI, you can create any website and any tools which is you prefer. So guys, that's enough for this video. So see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment down below.